Scientists just discovered a brain shield sitting in your freezer, and it's 100% natural. I'm packed with anthocyanins, which is just a fancy name for the purple power that keeps your brain young. These compounds are unique because they can actually cross the blood-brain barrier to protect you from inflammation. A major 2025 study proved that daily wild blueberry intake improves brain vascular function. Basically, your brain's plumbing. In just 12 weeks. But you can't just eat them by the handful and expect magic. You need the right combination to unlock that shield. Here is the daily habit that changes everything. Step 1. We add raw walnuts. These act as a carrier for the berries. And if you stick around until the end, I'll show you why this specific mix is better than any brain pill on the market. Wait. Don't forget the secret ingredient that makes it all work: a handful of spinach. The nitrates here open up your blood vessels so the blueberry antioxidants can actually reach their destination. This isn't just a smoothie. It's a software update for your memory. While brain pills use synthetic fillers, this raw combination uses bioavailable nutrients that your DNA actually recognizes. The brain shield isn't built in a day. It's built every morning in your kitchen. If you want to build a longevity-based kitchen using the power of AI and science, join our community. Hit subscribe and stay sharp.